Tamer has been a global leader in four-wheel drive automotive aftermarket parts for the past 50 years, and we specialize in stronger aftermarket parts for the four-wheel drive community. We pride ourselves in the innovation and quality of our parts, and we also service the mining, military and farming sectors. Tamer is a truly global company, and we opened the Cape Town branch that covers Sub-Saharan Africa for them in 2020. We stock a wide variety of parts and we receive shipments from Australia weekly. We are located in Triangle Farm in Bellville, and we've got a dedicated sales team that can assist you with any of your needs. You can visit our website or our e-store to see what's available for your vehicle. Tamer, parts that will get you home.